y'all, I'm back at it again with another how-to video. As y'all can see, like, you know what I mean, I got these two little ponytails going on in my head. I took down my style from earlier today, but I wanted to get on here and I just wanted to show y'all that not only do I show y'all these how-to videos, I actually use what I show y'all that I make. So as you guys remember, I showed you guys the how-to on how to make these ponytails and how you can layer them and how easy it is to just put it on and make your style. I just wanted to come on here and show you how quick and easy it is to use these and how you can make really cute styles. So as you can see, I got one bun in the front, one bun in the back. And so I'm just going to go ahead and put my ponytails on. And I'm going to show y'all the finished result. So y'all ready? All right, so let's get started. Okay, so for the back, I'm just going to take and go like this. And I'm going to turn around so you guys can see. It might look a little frizzy, y'all, but don't mind the frizz, okay? So that's one. And for, you know, for this, I would recommend, like, if you want to do like a little bun, you know what I'm saying? You get coverage, but I think that it will be better for like if you wanted to use this as a bun. And you're going to see how I'm going to use my top as a bun and stuff like that. So, you know, that's just what one. But, you know, I'm not feeling the one, even though it looks natural, look like it could have been my hair put out in a ponytail. But I want to go a little bit bigger. And I started to just use 3, but for this style, I only use 2. So I'm finna go in with another one. So I got my another ponytail, because remember I told you guys it's buildable, so you can build on it, and it don't, like I said, it don't even take that long. Like, look how quick it is. And like you see, I got a bun, so I'm gonna turn back around so you guys can see. So I'm going in and I'm going to put the next one, and now you guys see, and you just fluff it out. You know, if you got your two-way mirror, you fluff it, and it's so fun. So you see that? Oh, and then, like, you know, if it's a piece that got kind of stuck in there, let me get that together. But yeah, so y'all see that? Just build it on up, honey. Build it up. If I was to start a brand, I think that's what I would call this line. Build it up. We building us up some ponytails, girl. Building us up some styles. Okay, so now for my top. This is what I'm going to do for my top. So I'm going to, so all together I use 1 pack, because 1 pack, like I showed you guys before, it is 3 of these bundles. So we just took them and turned them into ponytails. So I'm just gonna go like this, put it on there. And you know, if you wanted to build from the top up, you know what I'm saying, and then create your, you know what I mean, like your thing. But for me, I'm not. I'm going to make a bun with this, and this is what I do. Like this morning when I got ready for church, it took me no time. So I just take and turn this into 3 sections. So I got 1 section on this side, 1 section on that side, and I'm going to take this middle section, and I just like to take it and make it go towards the back, right? Make it go towards the back. I don't know if you guys can see that good, but, and then I'm going to pin it. Yeah, I don't know, I'm ducking down. Can y'all see that good? But, and then I'm going to pin it. I'm going to pin it in place, right? So give me some pins. Oh, I can stand up. What am I doing? I'm just. Need some pins. Just pinning it into place. And then I take another section. And you can style your bun however you want, but I'm just showing y'all how I did mine today. And then I lift this piece up, that section. And this, I'm just going to take it and I'm going to pin it. And that's the cool thing about this hair. Like, when you get it when you get it to where you want it, look at me, it'll stay put. And so I pinned it, and then I'm gonna take this one and I'm gonna go in the opposite direction. And so take it and I'm going to pin it. Pin it down. Right? And so what I did in the front, I just took, I'm gonna get a couple more little short pins. I got a couple more short pins. Look at me. Who all does this? Do y'all hold bobby pins in your mouth? I do that all the time. When I'm doing my own hair, not when I'm doing like my daughter's hair or something like that. But usually with my own hair or like nobody else's hair. And like you just take it and pin it in place. You know, and just maneuver. I'm trying to get it together like in this camera. Hold on, just kind of go in. Hold on. Let me back up, I'm so quick, so far in it. And you know, create your little bun, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, ain't that cute, y'all? That's so cute. And you know, and you can stick more pins wherever you feel you might need them. Like right now, I'm gonna just stick another pin on the inside, on that side. And then y'all, I found like these little cute things on Shein, and it's up to y'all. You know how you wanna decorate your bun, or if you wanna decorate, if you don't wanna decorate it at all, you don't have to. So I don't know if y'all can see that, but you know, just doing something a little different. But okay, and so these are so cute. Like I think they were only like $1 or some change. Like on Shein, they got so many different ones or whatever, and so, or if it's not $1 and some change, I know it's no more than like $3 or whatever, but. And so you can just take it, and like I wore one the other day and people really thought it was so pretty. And I'm like, look at that. Isn't that so cute? Look at that, y'all. So hold on. All right, for the sake of this video, so I don't make a whole mess, let me just leave it there. I was trying to reposition it, but look at it. And you ain't got to get, you know, sometimes, like I told, when I was getting compliments on it, I'm bending over getting bobby pins, y'all. But when I was getting compliments on my pieces, because I had a different piece in my hair the other day when I wore this bun, you know, I was like, you don't have to, my ring's getting stuck. You don't have to be going somewhere super special to look extra pretty. Like if you wake up in the morning, and you want to be extra pretty, then be extra pretty. Like you ain't got to be, you don't have to be going anywhere. Look at this, y'all. Hold on. See, this right here is what I'm gonna be using to pin it in place. So you just get it and stick the bobby pin within in the thing. So I thought I had got it in the hole, y'all, but I didn't. So hold on. But, and look at that, it's so cute. So cute. And you just get up and just be beautiful and conquer your day. And even if your day is around the house chilling and you feel like you want to be pretty around the house chilling, then do it. Or if you want to be extra when you get up to go to work, do it. If you want to be extra when you get up to go to school, do it. Do you, and be good. Be good at it, because can't nobody beat you being you. So I just wanted to get on here and talk to y'all and show y'all how quick and easy this is. And I didn't even have to pin this on. I meant to tell y'all that because it ain't going nowhere. But if you want to pin it down, you can. So I just wanted to get on here and talk to y'all, you know, about these ponytails, how quick and easy they are, how quick and beautiful you can become in a matter of minutes. Because I mean, well, I won't say become beautiful because you're already beautiful. So how quick and easy it is to enhance your beauty. There we go. So these are beauty enhancements. These don't make us beautiful. They just enhance what we already have. So how quick and easy it is to enhance your beauty. And then you could be out the door. You know what I mean? Get your makeup done, because sometimes your makeup might take a long time and you don't have that much time to get your hair done. Or, you know what I mean, opposite. Trying to get dressed and you ain't really got that much time. So get your ponytails, girl. Put them, get your hair how you want it, and you're out the door. So I just wanted to come on here and just do a quick little short tutorial talking to y'all and showing y'all. But I'm about to go take this down. Y'all put my bonnet on and get ready for bed, girl, because it's school in the morning. But yeah, so you guys be blessed. Y'all be beautiful. Continue to do you. And yeah, God bless y'all. So I'll see y'all in the next video. And y'all could tag me. Y'all tag me in y'all styles, like what y'all came up with when y'all made y'all ponytails and stuff. And what kind of hair did y'all use? Did y'all use this hair? Did y'all experiment with other type of hair and stuff like that? So let me know. Tag me. Give me some ideas. Shoot, I like doing different stuff and new stuff. So you guys take care, and I'll see y'all later in the next video. Bye.